Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. So Jay's just putting on the locker. It's held on with the 6 bolts and the lock washers, and he's bolting it up. Just in review, what we did here is we removed the 2 CV shafts, which you can do from the inside the truck. You do not have to remove the hubs on these Chevrolets to remove the CV shafts. You do not. And what we did was we pulled our lockers so that we could replace the inner bearing on the hub. We ran this one dry. It all fucked up. And so what we tried to do was just pry them out from the inside. And of course, if we'd had the right tools, a seal puller, bearing puller, we'd have been able to do it. So what we did was we pulled the locker so we could just tap it out from the outside. So there you go, my friends. So if you want to replace your inner shaft bearings or replace your shafts, you do not have to remove the hubs or the brakes or any of that stuff. Here it is in action, and Jay's wrapping it on up. 3 or 4 minutes, put your locker on. God bless you. God bless America. And we have changed the inner bearings, greased the shafts, and we got our new locking kit all refreshed and refurbished, ready to be dogged out again. God bless you. God bless America. Happy trucking. Bye.